everyone please be ready with that? Good morning.
Ma'am, we have solved this page number 1, 2,
No
3.
problem. Let me repeat it. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Now stop messaging in the chat box. Pay attention here in the class. After these 2-3 questions, then we'll start our CET today. So on page number 123, it's given about the legs. How many cats? 8 legs mean 2 cats. So one cat is having how many legs?
4. 4, ma'am.
And 12 legs mean how many cats?
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
Blue
Ma'am,
cloud.
3. 3 cats. 3 cats. 3 cats. Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll start the chat box. If you know the answer, write in the chat box. If you know the answer, you write in the chat box. Yes, because it's already given in your blue cloud that 8 legs means 2 cats. So one cat is having 4 legs. So 12 legs means how many cats? 3 cats. Very good. Mm-hmm.
And the total cats are 7.
When you come on the blue table, blue and yellow table is there. How many legs? 4 legs, 1 cat. 8 legs, 2 cats is already there. So 12 legs, how many? 3.
3.
Now can you complete this yellow table? 4. This is the table of 4 is going. But with the table of 4, can you complete this?
Yes, ma'am. I have already done.
Ma'am, can I say after 12?
Yes, after 12, what will come?
Ma'am, 16.
16.
Ma'am, 16.
After under 16, what will come?
20.
No, I'm talking 16
And
legs.
24.
4 cats.
24.
4 cats. After 16, what will come?
24.
20.
20. Yes. After 20, what will come?
24.
24. Can you all please complete this table?
And then 28. 28.
Please
And
complete
then
this
32.
in your books.
Ma'am, 8 cats.
Turn the page number 124. Snake is given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
27 divided by 3.
12. Sorry, ma'am. 9.
27 divided by 3.
9, ma'am.
So how many? See, children, you start from 27. Keep on jumping because it's on number line. Because snake is also drawn here. And numbers also there.
Yes.
From 27, skip 3 numbers each time. And reach to how many humps?
9 homes.
9.
9.
Yes.
9,
Very good.
9.
So this way you will complete this also about the rapid jump.
I also done.
4 minus 8.
12 jump, 14 jump, 5 jump.
Come on the next now. Page
40
number
jump, 11 jump.
127. Page number 127. 127. Practice time. Question number 3. Can you all see? Razia wants change of rupees 500. Razia went to the market, but she was having a 500 rupee note. She wants a change. So there are some steps given. If she will get 100 notes, all 100 notes, then how many 100 will she will get? How many notes? 500 notes. She is having a 500 rupee note, but when she get a change, उसको सारे 100 के नोट मिले.
100. Ma'am, 5 notes of 100.
100.
100. How many notes of 50?
Ma'am, 50.
10.
Very good.
10 notes.
And if all are 20, how many notes of 20? are
15.
20 notes.
Which page number?
Ma'am, 20 notes only.
27.
20. 50 notes. Sorry, 50 notes.
Children, please solve this. All are 20. Yes, 15.
15, ma'am.
Yes,
20 to the 15 notes. And of 5, 15.
मैं 5 rupees के मैम 100
all
notes.
5 rupees notes, then how many she will get?
100.
No.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
15. 100.
100. So you all are clear with this chapter, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more. One child is saying, excuse me, let me listen to that child. Yes, which child, Guna?
What, ma'am?
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Dharya.
Which page number you are saying? I could not hear only anything.
127 I was discussing. 127. Now one more question I will ask. If I say write this with the repeated addition, for example, 6 multiplied by 5. Which number you will repeat?
30.
No, I'm telling
Ma'am,
right the repeated addition. 6 multiplied by 5. Or
Ma'am, 6 will.
Ma'am, 5.
6 plus 6 plus
Ma'am, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Ma'am, 6 times 5. 6
No.
times
Minus
5
5.
times 6. 5 times 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6.
Mute yourself.
Ma'am, 30 minus 5.
See, children, whenever we read this statement, for example, if I say 3 multiplied by 2,
3
right?
times 2.
3 times 2. When you write it, so you write it as 3 times 2.
Plus.
But when you write it into the repeated addition, how many times 2 you are going to write?
3 times. 2
3
plus 2
times
plus 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 plus 2. Are you clear with this? How we read the multiplication sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Like if I was saying 4 multiplied by 3. So 4 times
4 times 3.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All the best
Can
to
you
you all.
explain one more time?
See, can you give me one multiplication sum? Vivan?
7 multiplied by 7.
7 multiplied by 7. So how you will read it? 7 times 7.
7 times 7.
So you will write 7 how many times?
7
Seven.
times.
7 times.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all the best to you all. I'm going to send a link in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
A minute.
Ma'am, we have to solve all the questions in the chat. In the notebook.
C.E.T. Wait a minute. I'll clear all the doubts. C.E.T. link is there in the chat box. And I'm going to post it in the classroom also. So in case if you log out, you log in from there. So C.E.T. link is there in the classroom also. In case by mistake, if you log out because of network issues, you can log in from the link which is given in the classroom also. Okay, now I'll clear the doubts. The children, you only have to solve in the notebook, not required to write the full question because you will not get much time to write the question and answer in the notebook also. You solve it in notebooks and write the answer in your Google form. Where you let me clear your doubts first and then you will speak. Next,
Ma'am, I am saying that
wait a
we
minute.
can write.
Vivan, wait a minute. Next, my thing is, when it is a word problem, you have to write the statement also. Otherwise, you will get half marks. Your half marks for the statement will be deducted if you will not write the statement. You have enough space. If whenever you're facing any difficulty because of any sign or anything, you please ask me that time. And now, Vihan, yes, tell me, what is your query?
Ma'am, I also have a query.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, I was saying that,
Mhm.
ma'am, in EVS, what happens that if we don't write the writing sums in capital, our marks
No,
get.
no, it will accept everything.
Okay,
Google
ma'am.
Form will accept everything because the paper is going to be checked manually by the teacher. You will not get your marks after your test.
Renu,
Get,
ma'am.
you will get when. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, you have sent the link. In that, I'm not able to write my name also.
You're not able to write your name.
Yes.
Arya, just check.
Ma'am, I have a query there.
Yes, Dharya, tell me.
Ma'am, I was saying this C.E.T. you said that we have to write the statement. So we have to write the last statement or whole statement?
Whole statement because you have enough space to write the statement.
Okay, ma'am.
Step by step also because I have given enough 3 to 4 lines. Yes, Samriddhi. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, we have to write all in capital letters. No?
Samriddhi, just now I saw Vihan was asking, you have to write in whichever the language, the either small letters or capital letters, Google Form will accept everything. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं कॉमा लग गया कहीं फुल स्टॉप लग गया तो it will not accept, it will accept everything. I am going to check your paper. Do like this, that you are having your question paper and you are writing the answers. Yes, next child.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Children, if you keep on asking this, your time will get up. I think the paper is not very much tough.
Ma'am, I have to ask you something.
Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am, at the first question, you have to write whole reverse comma.
Whatever you know, you have to write about that question. Ayansh, switch on your camera first.
Ma'am, can I say something? Ma'am, can I say, Anushka?
Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, I want to say that we have to write the answers in the notebook.
Answer in the notebook.
So, ma'am, what we have to write in the Google form, we have to write done.
Yes, what is the answer that you have to write in the Google form?
Okay, ma'am. We have to click the photo and send you of the notebook.
Yes.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now.
Yes, Vivan.
Can I say, ma'am, in Google form, the first question in that, we have to write the answers only, or we have to write the 3 columns.
Let me present my screen and I will read it for you. Ayush, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I say?
No, my dear, please, I request you, you please complete your first form. I will explain and I will clear your doubts. Sorry, children. No questions, please. I will read the paper for you. You children are wasting your time. Arya, you please tell your some parents to help you to log into in the Google form.
I am logging into Google form, but I am not able to write my name.
Let me check. You there is a name column. You click on that. You will able to write it, Arya.
Yes, ma'am. I click on it and the keyboard has also come, but I am not able to write my name. When I type also, then you will see my name is not coming.
Is there any other child facing the same difficulty writing the name?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Arya, call your some elder person from your home to help you.
Yes, ma'am. First one. Please, can I ask? I have 15 boys in 3 different ways.
Let me explain the question paper first. Okay. First question is arrange 15 boys in 3 different ways in rows and columns. In the rows and column, you only write the statement like arrange 15 boys in 3 different ways. How many rows and how many columns you take? Like and just only the number. No, you are not going to draw rows and columns here. You are going to take the number. 3 rows, 5 columns, 4 rows, 4 multiplied by 5. This way you take your statements and do this. Okay, 3 different ways कि कैसे 15 को अरेंज करोगे आप. 3 into 5, 5 into 3, like 2 into 4, any answer, whichever you fit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to ask one thing. If it is 12, so if we can take it twice, 12 rows and 1 column, 1 row and 12
Yes,
columns.
yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am.
Then what I said, I will read this full paper for you first.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, if we write in the B1, then this statement that the answer is this or that.
Children, you first write one answer, put a comma, write next answer, put a comma, write third answer.
Ma'am, in B1, if we write the sentence also that the answer is with the answer, so it will be okay?
It will be okay.
Yes.
Next B question is find the product. You have to multiply these two, multiply it in your in your maths notebook and write the final answer here. Next is question number C. Meera wants 50 sunflowers in 10 rows. Plants 50 sunflowers in 10 rows. How many sunflowers are there in each row? 5,654 multiplied by 100. What is the final answer? Write the final answer here. Calculate 2 multiplied by 6. Then what is the answer? Multiply by 3. Write the final answer here. Write in repeated addition. 6 multiplied by 5. G. The answer to a division problem is called. What is the answer? Is the division करने के बाद जो answer आता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? What will be the divisor in 27 divided by 7 में divisor क्या है? Which number is the divisor? Solve by repeated subtraction. 48 divided by 8 को repeated subtraction से solve करेंगे. And solve it in a one line only. If you have a one line, keep on solving it in one line only. If 13 multiplied by 7 is 91, then 91 divided by 7 is what? 8 legs means 2 cats, 24 legs means how many cats? Please mute your mic, everyone. Mute your mic, everyone. Sorry. First, you will not listen.
Ma'am.
Listen to me first. Question number L. Anu wants to change for rupees 100. How many notes will she get if she wants to change all 50 rupee notes? A answer. You have to write A. Then B. Then C answer. Then D answer. All the answers you have to write in the space given. Yes, which child is this? Ekansh, yes, tell me. Any difficulty?
I'm not saying anything.
Your mic is on. Yes, Devyosha.
Ma'am, can you send the link again?
Devyosha, you go to classroom. Link is there in the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I write all the questions and answers?
Yeah, you do one thing. You write in the notebook and send me the picture.
Okay.
Next is frame your.
I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
In the equation, ma'am, in the equation, we have to do 2 multiply by 6. Then which answer comes? We have to multiply it by 3.
Which question you are asking?
E.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Aryaman.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, in the first question, we have in the notebook we have to draw the row in the column.
No. Only the sentence you have to write. Only the multiplication sentence you have to write, that how many rows you are taking, how many columns you are taking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Nick, what happened?
when I press the meeting link now, so
Mm-hmm.
it is showing that you need the permission. So
Mm-hmm.
I have taken a new tab. So that old one tab I have sell. Then I have done reset. So I remove from your that list.
So do one thing, Nick. I think you had opened many Gmail IDs in your this laptop or the device which you are using. पहले आप सारी Gmail IDs से log in होंगे, then only you will able to log in with your TVIS Gmail ID only.
Ma'am, I am logging with that p.net.account only.
पर आप जब Gmail अकाउंट ऊपर देखते हैं, अगर उसमें मैनी दूसरे अकाउंट से भी आप लॉग इन है बाय डिफॉल्ट, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट वो वाला लॉगिन आपका एक्सेप्ट करता है. प्लीज चेक करवाइए आपके पेरेंट्स से. अदरवाइज यू डू वन थिंग, सॉल्व इट इन द दिस नोटबुक एंड सेंड इट टू मी, अगर ओपन कर सकते हैं तो. और आई विल पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन, वहां से भी देख के आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई विल ओपन दिस, start
So
solving
I
in your
will.
notebook. If any difficulty in opening the Google form, please start solving from here from my screen.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
we use the X sign, but I don't have the multiplication sign.
Use X sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next child. Yes, Twisha.
Then now can I say,
Yes.
ma'am, there are some multiplication and division in there. So,
Hmm.
ma'am, we have to do with long division method, or we can do it any way we want.
No, but the last one you have to do with the long division method.
Okay.
Yes, Daria.
Ma'am, now could you send the link once?
It
I
is there.
sent you.
Mikdad is there in the classroom.
Renu ma'am, I had a doubt that
Hmm.
it is sixth question, six.
Hmm.
Right means repeated addition. So in
Hmm.
that we have to write like this 5 and then
Yeah.
the answer is equal
No,
to
no.
answer.
How many times you are repeating it? Write it that
Okay, ma'am.
with the addition sign. Now remove your this your raise hand is raised, so remove it. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma
Raise your hand if you have any query. I'll come and solve one by one. Yes, Samriddhi. Any difficulty? Okay, Anushka. Anushka, stop raising your hand if you don't have any difficulty. Yes, Desai, stop raising your hand if you have no difficulty. Nick, stop raising your hand. Yes, Rudra, tell me.
ma'am, I have same
By mistake.
I have
Yes,
same
Rudra.
I have same career like there, but I was didn't able to hear you clearly.
Now,
Yes, now it's clear.
yeah. So can you please ask what is your query? Same repeated
Right
addition. Write it in the repeated addition.
means how?
How? How many times you are going to write the number?
So we have to write the answer.
Only
After
answer yes.
what we get after repeating addition,
No,
right?
no, you have to write the repeated addition statement. How you are repeating the number with the addition sign.
So means 5
Like
plus
for example, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 this way.
okay, ma'am. And then
Ma'am, what we have to do in ma'am,
Yes, Megdad.
ma'am, do we have to write in notebook?
You solve in
I mean,
notebook, write the final answer in the Google form.
ma'am, what we have to do in E1?
Which one?
E.
E. Okay, let me see. Calculate. Calculate means which sign is there in between these. You have to multiply them. 2 into 6, 6 into 3. Means first you multiply 2 multiplied by 6. What is the answer multiplied by the 3? Got it, Dhyan Dalal? I think the paper is not much tough. You children are making it.
Yes.
Yeah, so please solve it fast. Nick Italia, if you're facing any difficulty, it is there on my screen. Nick Italia, you are there in the class?
Ma'am,
Yes, Vivan.
ma'am, in question C, we have to write the full sentence in that. Meena plant 50 sunflower.
Yes, because long space is there. You have
Yes,
to write with the statement.
Ma'am, can you read the L?
L1, okay.
Ma'am, so that C1 is a word problem.
C1 is a word problem, yes. L1 is Anu wants change for rupees 100. How many notes will she get if she wants change? All 50 रुपी के नोट मिल गए तो कितने मिलेंगे उसको? All 10 rupees के नोट से तो how many 10 rupees notes she will get to make it 100? All 20 rupee notes, how many notes she will get to make 100? And if all are 5 rupee notes, how many notes she will get to make it 100? A, B, C.
We have to, ma'am, we have to say like how many times it is like counting.
Just now we
till
have
100.
solved, right? Just now we have done one textbook question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, and
Yes,
the question E, the question is 2 into 6 into 3. So, ma'am, we do 2 into 6 and the answer comes. So, with that, we have to multiply, no?
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, please complete this fast. Only one response is there. Man Rajoria has done very fast. So Man Rajoria, please check your answers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in question number 9, solve by repeated subtraction 48 divided by 8. Ma'am, so if we have to write the same like we have write in notebook,
Yes.
means we have to write 48 minus 8 or direct
Yes,
answer.
don't tell the answer.
No, ma'am, I am saying that we have to write the method also or direct answer.
No
In
method,
the Google
subtraction
form.
method. Subtraction method.
Yes, ma'am,
How
in
many
Google form
times you
also.
are doing? Yes, Vihan, you have done everything. You have to do by the way you have done in your notebook, in your worksheets. Am I clear now? Khush Ahuja, Rudra Mangokia, Yash, Samriddhi and Anushka, if you don't have any difficulty, please stop raising your hands.
I have a doubt in question number F.
Okay. 13 multiplied by 7 is 91. Then 19 divided by 7 is what? I will just read. I will not dictate the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next child. Yes, Rudra Mangokia.
Ma'am, in question I, solve by repeated subtraction 48 minus And then what is the answer? That minus it. That way we have to
Yes,
write.
Rudra, have you done that worksheet which I have given on basis of this?
Yes, ma'am.
The way you have done in the worksheet, same way you do it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes, Rahel.
ma'am, we have to write all capital letters.
Any letter, any small letter, capital letter, it will accept everything. Rahil, you have joined late.
Yes, ma'am.
So please, my dear, join on time. I have explained everything in the class.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in I1 we have to do the method or we have to write directly the answer.
My dear, if you write method also, marks will not be deducted. Method, you have to do full method. I1, many of the students have asked the same thing about the I. You have to do the way you have done in your worksheet. जैसे आपने worksheet में करा है वैसे ही करो.
Okay.
Children, about any question, whatever you know, the way you know how to solve it, do it in your way, fast.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ekansh.
ma'am, in the question M, we have to frame our question. We have to write the answer also.
Which question? No, only the framing question is written. No, only you have to frame the question. No answer.
Okay. Ma'am, this worksheet we have to send this
Yes, you
in
have to
notebook.
send the Google form and the notebook work also. Yes, Lakshya. Yes, you have to send your notebook work also.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
ma'am, in the question 6, there is written 6 into 5. So, ma'am, in repeated addition, we have to do it. So, ma'am, I did it in the repeated addition, but the answer come not the same as 6 into 5.
You have done wrong, maybe.
Ma'am, we have to plus it 6 into 5. The answer come, we have to plus it. Then the
Anushka,
answer
we
is.
are not here to discuss the answer. The way you know, you write it.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhruv.
I do not understand I question.
Leave it if you don't understood. Means you have not submitted the worksheet basis on I. We have done the repeated subtraction, how to do it.
Yes, ma'am, I have also done, but ma'am, in I1 the all answers are right.
All answers are right. Means
Ma'am, you check the just I1.
in question number I, you do all the steps, how you will do with the repeated subtraction. कितने steps होंगे, सारे steps आपको करने हैं. If you don't have much space, एक ही line में कर लो. First करो, then थोड़ी space छोड़ के second step करो, third step करो, सारे steps करने हैं the way you have done your worksheet.
Okay.
Very less time is there, children. Check your time and do your work accordingly. They can't submit it.
No, ma'am.
So why you sitting?
Ma'am, I can't understand I question.
What is there in the I1? The repeated subtraction, right?
No.
So which one?
Anu wants change for 100. How many notes will she get? It is a word problem.
It is not the word problem. It is there are five.
Sorry, ma'am. L.
L. There are. It is not the word problem. It is you have to solve first a question. All 50 rupee note. If she get all 50 rupee notes, when she exchange the 100? So how many notes of 50 she will get? How many notes of 10 she will get when she exchange it with the 100? How many notes of 20 when she will get with the exchange of 100? And how many notes of 5 she will get when she exchange with the 100? अगर बाजार में आप 100 rupees लेके गए and you want the change and the shopkeeper has given you 50 rupees के, कितने नोट देगा आपको 50 rupees के in the exchange of 100? 100 rupees के बदले में 50 के कितने नोट देगा? The shopkeeper will give you. Switch on your mic. I'm not able to listen you.
Ma'am.
Exchange of 100. How many notes you will get of 50 rupee note में के बदले कितने मिलेंगे? Yes, Manra Joria.
Ma'am, I tell one word problem.
Yes.
I can tell one word
No,
problem.
no. You do your work. You want to ask something regarding that word problem?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem? Which word problem? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
there are
You tell me the question
one
number.
ape. No, ma'am, not from this.
So we are not
C.E.T.
discussing right now. Right now, let everyone do this C.E.T.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that, ma'am, in the M1, it is a word problem. So, ma'am, first we have to divide 60 by 3, then we have to, what came the answer?
I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer, Vihan.
So,
Sorry.
ma'am, I'm not asking the answer. I am saying that first we will divide 60 multiply by 3. So, the answer will come, we will multiply it with 10.
Vihan, you are telling the answer only how we are doing. So now, the way you understood the question, the way you do it, same way. Okay? We are not here to discuss the answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Dere.
Ma'am, I am saying that you have sent where we have to send this notebook work in classroom right now.
I will send after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahil.
ma'am, last
Ma'am,
second phase one, I not understand N1.
N1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Wait a minute. Rahil, in N1, you have to frame the question on the basis. आपको कुछ statement दिए हुए हैं. We have learned yesterday only कि हाँ हम question कैसे बनाते हैं when the statements are given to us. इस पे question क्या बन सकता है? Okay. Yes, Kevna. Aryaman, I will come back to you.
Ma'am, I have no doubts now.
Okay, Riddhi, yes.
I have a doubt in F1, how repeated addition form, but how we will do?
Riddhi, wait a minute. Yes, Aryaman. Riddhi, you do all other questions first.
Ma'am, in question C, there is 50 sunflower. We have to show that 50 sunflower.
No. You try to understand what they are asking. How many sunflower are in each row? So 50 sunflowers, about the 10 rows are given. So how many you are going to arrange in the each row? How you will find about the each?